Looking for colors, what will they see? Red, red fruits for you and me. Strawberry, red and sweet, juicy, yummy, nice to eat. Pick it, lick it, sing hooray. Strawberries make us smile today. Cherry, cherry, round and small, shiny, bouncy, we love them all. 1, 2, 3, let's count and play. Cherries make us laugh today. Apple, apple, big and red, crunchy, munchy, yum, they said. Take a bite, it tastes so sweet. Apples are a yummy treat. Tomato, round and red, on our sandwich, on our bread. Growing, glowing, row by row, tomatoes help us grow and grow. Pomegranate seeds inside, ruby jewels shining white. Shake it, tap it, seeds will fall. Pomegranate, best of all. Red, 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 hip hooray, fruits and veggies every day. Clap your hands and sing along. Red is happy, red is strong. I'm a red apple, shiny and sweet. Crunch, 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 a yummy treat. I'm a tomato, juicy and round, rolling and bouncing on the ground. Strawberry, strawberry, small and bright, sweet little berry, take a bite. Pomegranate red inside, seeds are dancing side to side. Cherry, cherry, round and small, tastes so